Hello. Today's daily message is entitled The Mission of the Elderly. These are the words of Pope Francis, taken from a book from which I've been reading throughout the week called The Blessing of Family, Inspiring Words from Pope Francis. And so in this passage, the Holy Father says this: prayer unceasingly purifies the heart. Praise and supplication to God prevents the heart from becoming hardened by resentment and selfishness. How awful is the cynicism of an elderly person who has lost the meaning of his testimony, who scorns the young and does not communicate the wisdom of life. How beautiful, however, is the encouragement an elderly person manages to pass on to a young person who is seeking the meaning of faith and of life. It is truly the mission of grandparents, the vocation of the elderly. The words of grandparents have special value for the young, and the young know it. I still carry with me, always, in my breviary, the words my grandmother consigned to me in writing on the day of my priestly ordination. I read them often, and they do me good. Thank you for watching and listening. Have a wonderful Saturday. Please stay safe and healthy.